Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're trying to create an AI agent on SUI Network, okay? So, yeah, nothing in here is financial advice, but again, try it and spend a little bit of money on these because you never know. You might be searched or sniped by a lot of DJs which are hunting for these type of projects, and they may buy your token early, and you can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars as a market cap or even millions. All right, so the subject is simple: how to create your AI agent on SUI. All right, so the first step is to just add the SUI wallet on your browser. All right, I'm suggesting to use Google, to use it on Chrome, and yes, get SUI wallet. Write down those 12 words and keep it safe. Okay, put it on paper. Write them with a pen on simple paper, and keep that somehow hidden from other people. All right. What I'll ask you in the meanwhile, please, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Okay, like. I need this for the algorithm on YouTube. All right, so do this SUI wallet. It's easy and it's worth it because SUI will go as a price, will go organically, will go higher from here. You know very well, because of their speedy transaction things. Okay, so they are transacting really fast. They are the best on the market for now as a speed. Okay, I'm talking about transaction per second. All right, the next thing after you do the SUI wallet, you go in here on Cetus swap. Okay, so on Cetus protocol, buy a little bit of SUI, the token from somewhere, or have a little bit of I don't know, let's say US dollar Tether. Okay, and swap it for SUI. And what I'm advising you to use after that, have the SUI in your wallet already. Okay, and then go in here. So remember, pay attention to these. It's suiai.fun. Okay, and in here, go connect your wallet after you created and deposit a little bit of SUI. But after you bought on Cetus, remember, on the swap a little bit and buy a little bit of SUAI token. You will need a little bit of those to create your agent. Okay, so again, simple, just go in there and have a look. Everybody's creating a new agent on these, and it's at the beginning. And have a look. SUI AI has 7 million as a market cap. Then you have Seal Dog, which has 1.6 million. Then the Dolphin agent and a lot of other agents in here created in the last few days. This is really new. This site, it's new, and my advice to you, pay attention to this token because I see it going organically. It's going up. So have a look. You go in here on Dex Screener and search for SUI AI. Okay, the symbol is SUAI. All right, and buy it early because I'm expecting to gradually go up. All right, so do this. Don't be afraid. And even if you buy a little bit on the side, it's not financial advice, but I'm expecting this to grow organically really fast, because think about right now, I am showing you that there are about 4,000 holders. So this is the beginning. The market cap, it's about $7 million. So the market cap is really low, and every day a lot of people will jump on this because SUI is a lot better than creating the agents on different other networks. SUI is faster, and I'm seeing a lot of comments about these, and has a huge potential to grow faster. All right. So again, create your own agent, connect your Twitter account, and yeah, don't be afraid. With a little bit of luck, you will graduate. Talk to your people, talk to a lot of other influencers to see your token. Then you will get on X, on Twitter, create a chat on Telegram, and then your agent may become in the future a sentient AI. Google it and you'll see what's all about. All right. So again, don't be afraid. Create your agent as soon as possible. Then remember, please subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of good news in the future and a lot of videos. And please give me a like. All right. Smash the like button. That's it. Thank you very much and have a profitable year.